In recent times, the skincare industry has introduced many ingredients which are proven to be beneficial for the skin. One such ingredient is squalane, and different skincare brands have incorporated this component into their products. So let's jump into today's video and know more about this certain ingredient, its benefits, and many more. Squalane is an emollient which imitates natural oils of skin and keeps it moisturized. However, squalene and squalane are two different things. Squalene is basically lipid produced by skin cells, and it also is found in other sources such as shark livers as well as olives, sugarcane, and others. The squalene that is present in both animals and plants cannot be used in skincare products because of its instability, which is why it is hydrogenated and turned into squalane with an A to increase the shelf life and make it beneficial for the skin. Now, as we age, the amount of squalene produced by the skin cells declines, which in turn results in dry and rough skin. This is why using products infused with squalene is a great way to take care of those issues. Most of the companies use plant-based squalane in their products, and this ingredient is now widely accepted as it works to support the natural barrier of skin. The component also improves the appearance of your skin and makes it firm, and it is a natural antioxidant which works as a detoxifier as well. If you suffer from dry and sensitive skin, then squalane is a great option for you. This ingredient is great for all types of skin and it doesn't clog pores, so you can use it for your acne problems and oily skin. And if that wasn't enough, this ingredient hydrates plus takes care of issues caused by environmental factors as well as free radicals. One of the main features of squalane is it contains anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a great option for skin that suffers from eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, and many more. And apart from the skin, this ingredient is beneficial for your hair as well, and a few drops of this oil can renew your hair strands while boosting moisture and preventing further damage. Although squalane is a great ingredient, it is recommended that you patch test any product beforehand to avoid any kind of side effects or reaction. Generally, it is not a reactive ingredient and it also works great with actives, so you don't have to worry much before choosing a squalane-based product. This particular ingredient can be used in many ways. You can add a few drops of this oil with your moisturizer or use it as a base before applying your retinol or niacinamide. Also, it can be applied before moisturizer to ensure maximum benefits. And that was all you needed to know about squalane and its beneficial participation in skincare. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.